It's World War II. We're talking intense scenes and brutal fighting across Europe, the Pacific, and the rest of the globe.
And here comes a bomb.
It can produce a devastating explosion because it is made up of
Bacon? During World War II, bacon was actually used as an explosive. Relax, your breakfast isn't going to blow up.
So, animal fats, whether it's from a cow, a pig, or even a fish, contain something called glycerol. If you take leftover cooking fat, mix it with salt and lye, you get glycerin. Glycerin is great. It's used in toothpaste and antifreeze.
But if you mix glycerin with a certain special sauce, you get nitroglycerin. And nitroglycerin is, well, it's extraordinarily explosive. Now, raw nitroglycerin was a bit too unstable and obsolete for the military to just throw around on its own, so they mixed it with other stuff to create TNT or cordite, which is the stuff that was used in mines and shells. The government realized this and launched their message: don't throw out that grease.
The British even staged a commando raid on Norway just to destroy a tank farm full of fish oil, so the Germans couldn't turn Flipper into firepower.
It even got into a Disney wartime cartoon. A booming voice told housewives,
"Skillet of bacon grease is a little munitions factory."
The instructions were strict. You had to strain your fat into a wide-mouthed can because apparently the army didn't want bacon bits in their bombs. Once you had a pound, you took it to your local butcher.
the government rewarded 4 cents a pound, and later, when things got tough, 2 ration points, and collected billions of pounds of waste fat to make explosives.
But not everyone was into it. Only about half of American housewives actually donated their fat. Why? Well, they had just survived the Great Depression and they liked eating food that tasted good.
So, was all this messy straining and saving actually worth it? Did sacrificing that delicious flavor actually help win the war? The answer is a massive, greasy yes.
This wasn't just a few people pitching in. This was total war, where families salvaged everything from rubber and rags to waste paper just to keep the army going.
So the next time you're frying up some bacon, just remember, you're looking at the same stuff that helped win the war. Thanks for watching. Smash that like and subscribe button and have some bacon.